Volunteers of Youth of Manipur have demanded unconditional release of Bidyananda, popularly known as Manipur Hulk, on the ground that an audio clipping went viral on social media was quite similar with him. Speaking to media persons during a press meet held at Manipur Press Club, a member of YOM Manichandra said Bidyananda alias Manipur Hulk was arrested by Imphal West Police Station on the charge that an audio clip uploaded by Kanglei Manipuri on Facebook page was quite similar with him on January 31st. However, he was released after thorough interrogation as there was no evidence that the audio was of Bidyananda on February 1. Unfortunately, he was again arrested last night at around 10 p.m. on the same charges after inviting him to come at Imphal West Police, Manichandra added. If peace will be restored after arresting all the members of YOM, they are ready to surrender to police. YOM is a group who are fighting with non-violence. Till date, many cases are pending where some miscreants attack at the residence of YOM by hurling bomb and gunshot. Arresting Bidyananda on mere ground of similarity of voice is unacceptable. Therefore, Bidyananda should be released unconditionally at the earliest, he demanded.
Pendragadi ayi lawam thopa tawbiba tawbidabduna amani lawam thopa lawda sumaina tana tanara ki akhang piba members sing the set tawbase masi yam nungaite losalakpada aina haijaning badi hairiba page kanglei mapari haiba page asisu akoina appeal tawjaning badi yedo manipur gi site gi oi appeal tawjaning badi hairiba lo na yadaba wahi wata asugumba thadore iba se mathangdadi akoigi thadok amdaida kitang khandabiraga akoi thadok hanjaningi aduga voice dubu tawreiba mi dusu akoina haijaningi di voice adu akoigi mananaba mongda sabire ibido madu matungda tawbiganu mana mathauna leiba taragadi akoigi masak utlaga nikhangde ama tawgani khangde migi makon sadabida mathauna leina ngangdiyu mana ngasi pendabadagi migi makon manna sarakanda Bidyananda da awabamda tahanbagi mongda tawreiba mong ase akoi masi yajaningde aduga kanglei mapari aiba Facebook page sida changbiyu Manipur da leriba miyam khudimagna aduga sangna kanda hajiksu leiri voice ado aduga kanglei mapari aiba Facebook page do jing miyam kanna share tawnari munna tabiyu masi Bidyananda oibra oidabra haibado leibak miyam nasu akoigi just tawbiyu aduga akoi sumai tawdana youth of Manipur da akoi sumai tawdana aki akhang pi bai thabak se masi khudak tege lepiyu akoi non violence oibani nungai na akoi di akoi tawam thokpa lengak ta tawam thokpa ngangam thokpa chaibam thokpa akoi gi pendabado adudi du makata na dumak law gini aduga akoi maitai da lan tongringi marak sida maitai da onjalaga akoi lan loigedoba mong leibra aduga tungan ba hojiki laiba tang akoi numit 35 thanagi bise akoi su yam wana ngaijari bani sigi maraktadi lenga irang phana honing bagi manba mongda policy sanaraga ju yuru Manipur gi maikai de gi irang hogadaba leite abisima clear.
On the other hand, mother of Bidyananda condemned the police action in the strongest term. She further said her son was called by the police on the pretext of verification of her son's computer and laptop in connection with the similarity of voice. However, her son was released on February 1 that there was no evidence that the audio clip was her son. Filing a FIR and arrested her son is unacceptable. Therefore, she appealed to the authority concerned to release her son without any condition at the earliest.
Yo ama viral chalai hai akhoi su khangjade makoina adumaina haibirame asa magi vocal sigi saraga robot na ngangba manba voice ama thadoaga aigi ichano pani haidana praman ama phau yaudana makoina phabani adubu ngarangdi kaimphau mamara leite magi natte haidana check tawba yaba tawre magi computer kari loina lokhalaga makoina yengba yaba yengaba matungda magi maran amphau leitre manate haidana mabu thadopire aduga ngasi ayuk pung 10 da police station da lao haidana magi computer su thanami loina mak lehauri haidana duji chalo hana mabu chatkhraga numita ba pau halaktre aduga numita ra matam dana FIR pale ma chape yara roi haidana police station dagi adumaina pau se pibi rakpani police na numita re ni riman lauthagani haiduna kano tawi matampi adubu akhoi ukilga mukhoiga hojik tawnari akhoi di masin nungai mandabadega khoi lekai gi maira paibi akhoi gi asem lekai gi maira paibi na kano tawjabani mase irak lebak irang hounaba baton tawbiganu athuba matamda tekta kaidana thadok pira o magi mathakta FIR panbe yaroi ke samta mari leina handana athuba matamda thadok pira o lebak irang hoba pamjade akhoi matam punamakta ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯏꯔꯥꯡ ꯍꯧꯗꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯂꯩꯖꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯏꯔꯥꯡ ꯍꯧꯍꯟꯕꯤꯒꯅꯨ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔ